Hi, this is Dr. Tejasvi here, consultant cardiothoracic surgeon and clinical lead at Fortis Malar Hospital, Adayar, Chennai. Today I am going to give you some highlights regarding minimally invasive cardiothoracic surgery. Conventionally, cardiothoracic surgery used to be done by a central incision by a median sternotomy where the breastbone or the sternum is cut with a saw, and then the heart is approached and we do either a bypass or a valvular heart surgery or surgery for septal defects, as you commonly know as a hole in the heart. So today we are going to discuss about minimally invasive cardiac surgery. Of late, people were little hesitant to undergo cardiac surgery because of the cosmetic reason, wherein the patient needs to have a big chest scar, which brings down the morale of the patient, as well as the aesthetic purpose. The friends, the colleagues, etc. keep asking about the type of, or rather the surgery undergone and the pain regarding it. So with the advent of minimally invasive cardiac surgery, wherein we approach the heart through a small keyhole incision in the anterolateral chest wall, either on the right or the left, depending upon the type of cardiac surgery required. So with this minimally invasive cardiac surgery, we have a very small incision in the anterolateral wall, and then we approach the heart to do either valvular heart surgery and replace the valves of the heart, namely the mitral and aortic, as well as do bypass surgery through an anterolateral incision on the left side for a coronary artery bypass grafting. So the advantages of the surgery is the hospital stay is minimal. It's a shorter hospital stay. With the morbidity of the incision is less, patients get walking right on the second day of surgery. The patients have a better cosmetic outcome. Even when the upper part of the wound gets noticed by the general public, people tend to have low morale. The reason being, people in public domain, namely the media, the artists, entertainment artists, the politicians, public figures, do have an inhibition to exhibit their wound openly. So in these kind of subsets, the minimally invasive cardiac surgery plays a major role, wherein the wound is not noticed by anybody else, and only the patient knows that he has undergone a major cardiac surgery. So the benefits outweigh the risk factors. There are no major exclusions for this kind of a procedure. Most of the cardiac procedures are approachable through a minimally invasive cardiac surgery. Tomorrow, the main access for cardiac surgery would be a minimally invasive cardiac surgery. So the time to come will say goodbye to the conventional cardiac surgery. Thank you.